Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a little update on some skincare products that I have been testing over the last at least month. I believe it's been longer than a month now. So the two products I'll be talking about is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth Serum and the Mandelic Acid Treatment by the Inky list. So if you're interested in either of these, hearing my opinions, my review after testing them thoroughly, then keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. So this is a powerful yet soothing AHA and BHA acid serum that gently smooths, addresses the appearance of breakouts, and visibly refines pores for clear, hydrated skin. It has a 10% clarity acid complex that visibly diminishes blemish-causing pore buildup, gently exfoliates dead skin cells, and smooths the look of bumps, fine lines. It also has strawberry in it, which helps reduce excess oil, also exfoliate and even the look of skin tone, and then hyaluronic acid, which does help hydrate by holding up to 1,000 times its weight in moisture, keeping the skin visibly plump. It's supposed to be very lightweight and yet powerful, visibly clear the pores and breakouts while calming and hydrating the skin, decongesting, soothing, and helping prevent blemishes. So as I said, I've been using this for, so it has been like a month and a half since I've been using this, and I have gone through not quite half, so almost half. And I have been using it mainly 1 to 2 times a day. Not every day do I use it in the morning, but 1 to 2 times a day. So I feel like it, for my skin at least, and the way that I'm using it, it will last me a good at least 3 months, which is nice. It is definitely a new favorite of mine. So I'm very excited to say that it was successful in my opinion, from my experience. So I'm going to kind of put up some clips of past videos before I started using it, and then I did just take a little clip of my skin today. I just feel like it's not just this. Obviously, it's going to be life-changing to your skin necessarily, but like there's other factors. You know, I don't have my IUD in anymore. I'm pregnant. Like all the hormone changes can change my skin too. I already felt like my skin was clearer since I got rid of my IUD. But even just from before I started using it to now, I notice a significant difference in how my skin is looking and feeling. So I do feel like it's preventing breakouts. I feel like I break out way less frequently. And when I do, they aren't those like intensely irritated, those like under the skin kind of blemishes. Not that I don't get any of those anymore, but I just feel like when I do break out, it's like they're much less red, noticeable. They don't get to I feel like this keeps them kind of under control and it helps them go away a lot quicker. So there have been a few times I've broken out still because I do have acne prone skin, and it could even just be wearing makeup for so long with the mask on, like that kind of causes breakouts. So even when I do still break out, they're not as irritated and infected, and they don't stick around as long. So I love that. And I do feel like my skin is actually way smoother to the touch than it used to be. I feel like my skin, it is hydrating, definitely, because I feel like my skin definitely feels healthier since I've started using it. And I do feel like when I touch my skin, especially like without makeup on, I do feel like it feels significantly smoother than it did before. I do still have textured skin. It's not going to completely erase my pores, completely erase my lines, completely erase my texture. But I just feel overall better about my skin. I feel like my skin looks smoother, more clear, and more even in skin tone. So I am obsessed with this stuff. And it also, I do feel like is helping keep my skin a little more exfoliated. I don't exfoliate with a specific exfoliant as regularly as I probably should, as I'm still kind of trying to find one that doesn't if I exfoliate too much, I find it irritates my skin and then causes me to break out because I'm so sensitive. So this is nice because it's gently exfoliating, like just lightly every day. So it's keeping things from getting as congested as they typically do. I do still get blackheads. I do still get congested pores. And as I said, I do still get breakouts, but it helps kind of prevent that and keep things looking and feeling smoother and clearer. So I'm really, really happy with this one. I definitely recommend it for those who have acne prone skin, who have textured skin. And I do feel like it is a nice serum that is safe for oily skin, but it's also not drying. It doesn't mattify the skin that much. If anything, it kind of feels like it plumps the skin. It really does feel like it's plumping the skin, like your skin just feels so healthy and hydrated when you apply it. It also has a very nice, very natural strawberry-ish scent, and it's so nice. It's very light. You barely notice it. I love the packaging. It comes with a nice amount of product, a full fluid ounce, and I do think it actually works. So A+ for this one. The next product that we're talking about today is the Inkey List Mandelic Acid treatment. So this is another product to help even out skin tone. This product helps reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation and discoloration. So it's supposed to be a fast-acting targeted treatment that's clinically shown to reduce the look of hyperpigmentation left over from acne, spots, and blemishes. So it has 10% mandelic acid to reduce the look of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and post-acne marks, 2% glycerin to hydrate the skin and draw in moisture, and 0.1% encapsulated retinol to support increased cell turnover and fade the look of dark spots and discoloration. This is another success, guys. We had some successful skincare products, which I don't find happens that often for me, but honestly, the Inkey List, I bet you I think at least half of my skincare routine is the Inkey List now. These products are incredible. They're affordable. They're great. So this one is, as I said, for acne spots. You could also probably use it for just like any kind of hyperpigmentation. Is it going to completely erase it like a magic wand in one night? No, it's not. But I do notice when I apply this, the next morning, I feel like it's significantly faded, and I do feel like if you apply it like in the evening, I don't apply it every night. I just apply it when I feel like I need to, like probably 2 to 3 times a week on the spots, and I do feel like it genuinely fades them. So I feel like it actually helps even out your skin tone. It helps fade the mark, and in the morning, it genuinely looks less noticeable. It doesn't dry out the area. So I personally like it. I think it works, especially like since using both of these together. I've noticed both of them working together have really helped even out my skin tone and clear up my skin. So I'm really, really happy with both of these products. This one here, as I said, I use 1 to 2 times. You can use it morning and night. It's safe to use 2 times a day. I did find this one, I forgot to mention, I did find that it took me maybe a week for my skin to get used to it. So when I first started applying, I did feel like my skin right under my eyes, if I applied it too close to my under eye area, it was like irritating it. It would get a little bit red and irritated. I don't know if it was this, but like that was one of the only new things going on. So I did feel like I don't bring it up that close. Like I try to keep it like, so I take a little bit in my hand. I'll show you what it looks like. Just a simple serum. Sorry, I have bronzer on my hand. And then I just rub it into the skin and then kind of pat it. So you want to let it fully absorb before you apply anything else, especially moisturizer. It feels super lightweight. It soaks into the skin nicely. It doesn't feel sticky at all. And it just almost makes your skin look glowy, like glowing, not super like intense, but just it makes it look healthy. So yeah, if you have sensitive skin, it is safe for sensitive skin, but I would just maybe be careful you're not bringing it too close to the under eye area. Everywhere else though, I had no issues with it at all. This one here, I just will squeeze a little bit, this is what this one looks like. I squeeze a little bit, probably a little bit more than that, maybe double that if I'm going to use it. If I have enough blemishes or like marks, I'll squeeze it onto my hand and I take a little bit and then I just kind of apply it to the spot and again, press it in and let it fully absorb before I move on to my next product. This one here, the Mandelic Acid, is a little bit sticky. So you want to really let it absorb and then apply your moisturizer. I find the moisturizer, if you have a moisturizer that doesn't feel sticky, then I find that helps kind of get rid of that sticky feeling. But there have been a couple times where I think I maybe either didn't apply too much or didn't let it absorb fully, or maybe I just didn't apply enough moisturizer like evenly to the face and I did feel a little bit sticky. So just keep that in mind that you want to make sure you let it fully absorb and then apply a moisturizer after so that you're getting rid of that sticky feeling. I do feel like it's helping, you know, keeping my skin very clear and smooth. And I'm very happy about it. Yeah, I'm excited to say that I recommend both of these products. I hope you guys enjoy them just as much as I do, but keep in mind, skincare is such an individual journey. So if it doesn't work for you guys, you know, not every product is gonna work for everybody. Thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.